Salom do'stlar, Essential birinchi kitobimizni 11 tekstiga ham yetib keldik. Va tekstimizning nomi Princess Rose and the Creature, ya'ni Malika Roza hamda mavjudot, maxluq degan bo'ladi. There was once a beautiful princess named Rose. Ya'ni bir Roza ismli chiroyli malika bo'lgan ekan. Her mother, the queen, however, was not as beautiful as the princess. Uning onasi qirolicha ortiq malikadek chiroyli emas ekan. Chiroyli bo'lmay qolibdi, ya'ni. The queen felt bad that she was not the most beautiful woman in the kingdom anymore. Qirolicha juda ham jahli chiqar ekan, ya'ni o'sha juda ham chiroyli ayol bo'lmaganligi uchun. She was tired of competing with her daughter. Ya'ni u o'sha malika bilan bahslashishdan charchabdi. Charchabdi. She made a decision. Ya'ni u reja o'ylab topdi desak ham bo'ladi. She prepared a drink for the princess. Ya'ni drink bu yerda noun bo'lib kelyapti, ya'ni ichimlik ma'nosida kelyapti. Ya'ni u malika uchun ichimlik tayyorlabdi. After the princess drank it, she fell asleep. Ya'ni malika uni ichgandan so'ng u uxlab qolibdi, ya'ni uyquga ketibdi. Then the queen took the princess to the forest. Undan keyin qirolicha malikani o'rmonga olib borib tashlabdi. She left the princess there. U malikani o'rmonda tashlab ketibdi. It was a very serious thing to do. Bu juda ham jiddiy ish edi. Either she will be killed by animals or she will get lost in the forest. The queen thought. Ya'ni u yoki yovvoyi hayvonlar tomonidan o'ldiriladi yoki o'rmonda adashib yo'q bo'lib ketadi deb o'ylagan edi qirolicha. The princess had a dream. Ya'ni malika tush ko'ribdi uxlayotgan paytda. She dreamed about a man with brown hair and brown eyes. Ya'ni u o'sha tushida bir erkak malla sochli, malla ko'zli, ya'ni chiroyli ko'zli deydi-ku, o'shanaqa erkakni tushida ko'ribdi. It was the man she would wed. Ya'ni bu u turmushga chiqmoqchi bo'lgan erkak edi. Yigit edi deylik. The princess woke up. Malika uyg'ondi. She saw a strange creature on the ground. Ya'ni u bir begona yoki bir g'alati degan bo'ladi. Begona bir mavjudot, maxluqni ko'ribdi yerning ustida. It looked like a man, but he was hairy and green. Ya'ni u erkak kishiga o'xshardi, ammo u juda ham hairy degani hamma joyini soch qoplagan va yashil edi, green. He had horns on his head and a pig's nose. Ya'ni uni boshida shoxi va cho'chqaning burni, cho'chqaga o'xshaydigan burni bor. Cho'chqaning burni bo'lar ekan, o'shanaqa burun bor edi. The creature said, "Did I scare you? I hope not." Ya'ni maxluq aytibdiki, mavjudot deylik, o'sha mavjudot aytibdiki, men seni qo'rqitib yubordimmi? O'ylaymanki, unday emas. Let me introduce myself. I am Henry. Ya'ni meni o'zimni tanishtirishimga ruxsat ber, men Henryman deyapti. I am not scared. To tell you the truth, I think you are cute, said Rose. Men qo'rqayotganim yo'q. To'g'risini aytganda, seni cute, yoqimtoy, chiroyli deb bo'lmaydi-yu, yoqimtoy deb o'yladim. I think, o'ylayapman, said Rose. Rose shunaqa debdi. Rose and Henry spent the day together. Rosa va Henry kunlarini birga o'tkazishdi. They collected berries, caught fish and had lunch. Ular o'sha olchalar teribdi, baliq ushlashdi va obed qilishibdi, tushlik qilishibdi. They had a very good day filled with nice conversations. Ular ajoyib suhbat bilan kun o'tkazishdi. Rose, I have to go home, said Henry. Va Rozaga men uyga ketishim kerak deb Henry aytibdi. My ship will sail home soon. Meni kemam uyga suzib ketadi tez orada. I can't leave you here in the forest alone. Ya'ni men seni bu yerda, ya'ni o'rmonda yolg'iz o'zini qoldira olmayman. Will you come with me? Ya'ni sen men bilan kela olasanmi, ya'ni keta olasanmi deyapti. Ya'ni men bilan birga ketasanmi deyapti. Rose was very happy. She gave Henry a kiss right on his big nose. Roza juda ham baxtli, xursand edi, happy, xursand edi va u Henryga kiss beribdi. Ya'ni uni burnining ustidan o'pib qo'yibdi. As soon as she kissed Henry, he began to change. Uni o'pishi bilan u o'zgara boshlabdi, boyagi Henry. His big nose turned into a man's nose. Ya'ni uni o'sha cho'chqa burni, cho'chqalarnikidaqa burni, hamnaqa erkakning burniga, ya'ni oddiy erkakning burniga aylanibdi. His horns and green hair went away. Ya'ni uni shohi hamda yashil sochlari ketibdi deyapti. Went away degani ketdi, yo'qoldi degan bo'ladi. Standing in front of her was the man Rose had dreamed about. Ya'ni shu Rozani qarshisida tushida ko'rgan erkak kishi turar edi. Rose and Henry were married and they lived happily. Rosa hamda Henry turmush qurishibdi va ular baxtli yashashibdi. O'ylaymanki videomiz foydali bo'ldi. Ko'proq video uchun, ko'proq tekstlar, hikoyalar uchun kanalimizga obuna bo'ling. Like tugmachasini ham bosib qo'yasizlar degan umiddaman. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.